Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now this case is made by Whitestone. It's the Whitestone dome glass case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this. Now you can get this from Amazon. It's the Whitestone scope case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Premium TPU bumper, protection, slim, ultimate, and phone cover design. All right, $14.99. It's on Prime. So these are some pictures right here of the case. It's got that black TPU bumper. I think it's got a frosted back, maybe translucent. It looks like it's pretty clear, polycarbonate, so not translucent. Matte sides. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and check this out and see what it looks like. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. Okay, here's the box that comes in. Dome glass. Scope case, S22 Ultra. You got some pictures right there. It tells you perfect fit, all that stuff. Other mumbo jumbo on there. Let's pull this out. Let's see what it looks like. I don't think I've used. It said design for Samsung. I thought it was said designed by Samsung, but I haven't used this case before, this company before. We're gonna check it out. Nothing else in the box right there. Let's put that to the side. So this is the case. Now this case is very thin and slim. You can see that right there. All right. These are the holes for the charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. I don't see a hole for the mic. Hopefully that's big enough to do that. You see, you got this little bolster corners right here. This little extensions right there. The back camera is raised up some, so you'll see that. And these corners kind of, you got a little feet on the corners there, so that's to protect to keep the back off of the surfaces. You got your mic hole right there. And your power buttons are open up right there. I don't see any branding anywhere on this, so it's pretty clean. Actually, there's a little bit of branding right there. You can't really see it, but there's a little bit of branding right there, Whitestone. Okay, all right, but this is a very thin case. Now I'm gonna peel this plastic off. Okay, so we got the tape off. Let's get the S22 Ultra and put it inside, see how it fits. Hopefully it fits well. So it fits all right, not the tightest, but it's all right. Now this is a pretty slim case, as you can see. You still got some lip raised up right there, so you'll be protected on the glass. But the sides are pretty slim, so this one doesn't come up as high as the other one. So you'll be all right with the screen protector there. So this is big enough for the mic hole, so you can see that right there. So the mic hole is open, so it's big enough for the mic. And you got the S Pen right there. You can get that, no problem. Speaker grill right there. Your power button, all that works. So it's pretty easy to press. And you got your mic hole right there. You can see that pretty good. Camera's well protected, no problem there. All right. And you got little feet on the back. You got a little bit of well, you don't have any branding on the back, so you can see the Samsung branding right there. Okay. But this is a pretty good case. It's slim, very slim. So you know, you got to be aware of that. Okay. But it's a good case, lightweight and pretty slim. Okay. And it's got a sticky back too, so I like that. So I'll probably use this one for a little bit until I get some other cases because I like the way it sticks on the back. You see that it's not dropping out of off my fingers. It stayed on my fingers right there. So it's sticky on the back right there. All right. So pretty cool, but it's smooth too. All right. So I think this will work for a while. All right. Now let's check out wireless charge and let's see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put it on. So picked up wireless charger right there. I didn't think these would have a problem because they're very thin, but just want to make sure I test that. Wireless charge right there as well. Let's lay it down, see what happens. Picked up wireless charge there as well. So no problem with wireless charge on this case, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Whitestone case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's a nice case, it's fairly thin. It's got some grip, so I think you'll like that. Kind of unique design for it, but I think it works. Doesn't make the phone too bulky. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.